Hello friends, today we learn how to book your GCP exam. First, you need to open your browser, then search for GCP Web Assessor login. Login. Then click on this first website. Login page will be open. Enter your email ID and password here. If you know how to create account, already video is posted. Login. Accept. Read all these details carefully. Then click on this tick box. Submit. Then select your date of birth as per your official government ID. Select your year, then month, then date. Then click on update information. Working professional. Partner other. Need to enter your details here. Organization name. Here you need to enter your organization name. Then update information. Yes. Update. Then go to the web assessor icon. Access web assessor. Loading. Yes. My assessment. Need to click on Google Cloud Certification Exam. Language. Whichever language is comfortable for you, you can directly select from here. I am selecting English. Select your exam. Data practitioner. Buy now. From here you need to select your time schedule. Select your date. Morning, afternoon, time. Choose your exam time below. Available time. From here you can change your time zone. Proceed. Terms and agreement. Proceed. And here are two options for payment: shopping cart, proceed to payment. Here two methods of payment is available. You can directly pay from credit card, or you can pay from vouchers. If you want any type of voucher, IT and non-IT, we can provide you all types of voucher. You can directly comment on our video. We provide discounted voucher. Here you need to enter your vouchers. Apply. Your promotion code has been applied. Submit order. You have successfully registered for Google Cloud Practitioner. Here your exam booking is done. If you want more videos like that, you can subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching this.